Welcome to create your own Nuts About You picture frame. Take the contents out and lay them out, and carefully take the backing off, including the glass, and put them to the side. Laying just the outer frame down, open up the paint and dip your brush in. Carefully paint the edging of the frame. I realized as I was painting that you might have to go over it a couple of times just to make sure that it's smooth. Sometimes with a foam brush, it'll leave some kind of like little bubbles, if you will. And don't forget to get the edges as well. I did the outer edges as well as the inside edge of the frame. And again, just a quick smoothing over across the front to make sure it looks smooth. Next, very carefully open the metal nuts and glue. And I found that if you stick your finger in the glue and dab it where you would like it along the frame, it worked better to stick the nuts on top of the glue blobs. And I'm going to call them the blobs. And you can do them in any kind of arrangement that you like. I decided to do a few in one corner and the rest of them in the other. Next, I decided after I had to make sure all the glue is drying, why not think about something special to write across the frame? That's about you. Why not, right? So jotted that down. And wow, there you have it. I'm nuts about you. All you need now is a picture and the special person to give it to.